If you guys watch my unboxing video of this thing, you'll see that I was a little bit confused at how the actual setup is. So after I stopped that video, I went and I just looked at the instructions that they have taped to the back or bottom of the tray here. It's super simple. The only part that threw me off was the this leg. So I just want to show you real quick how it's supposed to work. So these bottom ones, I was trying to make it lock in place this way. Instead, it's just supposed to swivel all the way back. And then you'll see it has this locking mechanism here. So that is what locks it in place. And then when you want to fold it back up, you push that button and then you can swivel that all the way back around to get it back into the compact position to store. So for now, just to show you, I'm going to open that back up and then I'll set it down here. And then all you do is you lift the computer tray, the laptop tray, and it has 3 different locking positions. In order to do that, it has a button on either side, and then it has these notches right here in the pole that these will lock into. So right here is one position. So depending on how you sit, you can have your laptop in here, and it has kind of an indented part of the tray so your laptop doesn't slide off of it. And then this cup holder that sits here, just, you can, if you want to like take it down or whatever, for whatever reason to put it away, you can just rotate it back. And when you want it to stay there, it has like a little notch, a groove on the bottom. So, you can make it stay there. But anyway, so this is position 1 of the laptop tray. And then here's position 2. And then position 3 is that way, which I don't know why I would use this particular position, but let me turn it around. So I guess depend on what side you're sitting at. This makes more sense. So here's number 1, here's number 2, and here's number 3 from your angle. And then to put it back away, just slide that back down, and twist your cup holder, push this bottom button, and swivel the leg back around. And that's it. Thanks, guys.